Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am going to show you how I went about creating this beautiful spring-like mani using SheModern new products. This is their layering stencil that I've been using a lot here lately. I'm showing you what you can expect in the package. You do receive your surprise foil art, as I am showing you here, as well as the other second piece of stencil that helps with pressing down the stencils when you're doing your art, and the little palette. I started out with this gel polish by Gelish. It's called Look at You Pikachu. And trust me, it's not as bright as it's coming out on camera. And because I started out with the gel, I did apply the top coat to finish it. I do want to buff out the shine for better adhesion of the foil glue, which is what you see me apply here. Next, I am going to use the glitter to create, and you see me, I'm going to create a very fun, nicely shaped French tip here using the glitter. And you saw how I showed you how I flipped the stamper head over because I want it flat for the stencil to really kind of stick to it without having any bubbles. And this is after the foil glue has dried. And there's my perfectly shaped French tip. That was so much fun, guys. It really is. It makes it so much easier. Now I'm going here cutting my butterfly foils to place on my nail. Go and just peel it right off. And really, guys, I thought I was just going to stop there, but I figured, let me just this part here I've never, and I'm sorry that I'm off frame there, but I placed the other stencil again with the that I used for the French tip on the stamper, but this time I placed it directly on my nail. Remember, it's still tacky from the foil glue, and then I created that perfectly nice green line with the green glitter. It was really an afterthought. That's why I placed the butterfly first, but I was so happy how it turned out. And I am using, since I am going to finish this with regular top coat, I did put my water-based top coat over the foil so it wouldn't wrinkle, and then I went over the entire nail with my out the door top coat, and there is a finished nail. Here I am going to show you how I went about. This is one that I layer later, but I take it step by step because I have to wait for the top coat and the glue to dry in between. So I did go ahead. It helps if you get ahead, if you have a couple of stampers and do that. And here I am creating my French tip on my ring nail. There's that outline. The butterfly, and this butterfly came out perfect. I did a better job at applying my foil glue on this nail. There we go. You can even tell that I removed the plastic. Now I'm about to create the green smile line with the green glitter. Press down on that stencil and apply the glitter. And this time I decided to use my fingers so I won't be wasting so much glitter. And dust it off, and voila, pretty. Okay, now I am going to, this is dry, and I'm doing the top coat all over the nail, because then after it dries, I'm going to go back with foil glue because I am going to layer This is the image that I'm going to put on top of that flower in a different color. I used the purple glitter. Cleaned up a little bit, and after the foil glue has dried, then I'll go and stamp right on top. Same concept here with my pinky, just two different designs. This is a lot of fun, guys. I am really enjoying stamping with these glitters and stencils. So here's the final result after I applied top coat and cleaned up. I hope you guys liked it. What do you guys think? I'd like to thank SheModern for sending me these products to play with and review for you guys. If you like this video and this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.